Hey there guys, Elton here, aka Retro Old School. So I got the Mercury 1950 kit done, and it was pretty much a snap, as it says it's a snap kit, meaning no glue required, which means less time, putting parts together, literally. And I got it right here, and it was in the sun, and now the sun's gone away right by the window because there's some clouds today. And yeah, she is looking sweet. Just cleaned up all that body. Got the spotlight on her. And I did the chrome foil on it, which is not easy to do. That means all around the windows. Right there. And on the vent windows also. Like that, I fucking like that. I start filming, the friggin' sun goes away. The chrome molding. Actually, the chrome molding is also supposed to go right here at the belt line. But I didn't feel like doing that. Actually, the chrome moldings are supposed to also go around the doors here. I didn't feel like doing that either. I thought it looked cool the way it is. You know. Just a nice, mild custom. Of course, Gloria's right beside me directing, right, Gloria? Yeah, you love that camera, eh? Turn her around here. I love the way those side pipes look, those lake pipes. I even like how they're crooked, actually. I find it goes with the stance. You can see a bit of the interior. Nothing special, but it looks cool. I wasn't actually going to do this thing really in the sunlight, because I find that white looks better kind of in the shade than in the sun, because when it's in the sun it's very bright. You don't see anything shining on it, you know. Yeah, really happy with this paint job. Like I said, been over 20 years since I've done a paint job this nice, really. You know. Yeah, very Gloria. Gloria wants to get involved. Hey, what are you doing there? Hey? Always interested in what Daddy's doing. Hey, if I'm moving around, chances are she is. Meow. Meow. Okay. Oh, do. Get another view of the inside here, if I can. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus too well. So like I said, the roof, I was leftover automotive paint. I only had enough for just that one coat, which looks cool the way it is. I wasn't expecting perfection. I wish I had taped this off a little bit better here, right here. I said, oh, maybe I'll fix it, but I can't. I don't have any of that paint left. Suppose if I found a paint that was that metallic blue would be fine. There's 2 coats of enamel here. These holes, actually, I filled them the best I could. Should have done a better job there. That's where the whip antenna would be. And then, of course, on the roof, that's where the light bar would have been, since this is a kind of a cop car thing, you know. And underneath, it's pretty simple. I didn't even paint the frame. There's a part of the front axle in chrome that doesn't want to sit there properly, so I'm gonna have to glue that back on. But I didn't use any glue on this. I was actually very surprised, considering what I mentioned about, you know, having done a couple of snap kits before. Well, maybe one, and them requiring glue, you know. Gloria's big tail. Meow. Meow meow. Oh, that looks really cool. That's awesome. Very happy with that. And what's my next project going to be? It's not going to be a model kit. It's going to be... Gloria, you are in the friggin' way, I'm telling you, man. The next project is going to be a big painting, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's friggin' sweet. Anyway, guys, hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you want to show your love and support and appreciation, you can send me a little donation, or a gratuity, as I call it, with my PayPal or email for PayPal or e-transfer in Canada, which is at eltonmcfall@hotmail.com. eltonmcfall@hotmail.com. Thanks again for watching. Gloria, you want to say goodbye?